Hi, in this video we are going to see the DRDO recruitment notifications. The total two notifications I am going to show you here. So one notification is based upon only post graduation and another notification is based upon the UGC qualified candidates guys. Okay, so here there is no fee and there is no written examination. The selection will be based upon the either online interview or else the offline interview based upon the pandemic situation. Okay, so please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications, and it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification, and give me one like guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Defense Research and Development Organization. And just go to the careers blog guys, and here you will check down the different recruitment notifications from the DRDO guys. So out of this one I just took the latest recruitment notifications, that is published on 15th June 2021 and 17th June 2021, that I am going to show you both these two notifications guys. So while coming to the first one, so which is published on 17th June 2021. So applications for research associate and junior research fellowship. So here applications are invited from energetic and enthusiastic candidates with zeal to work at higher attitude areas for the following post of junior research fellowships and the research associates at DRDO Tejpur, Assam. So coming to the name of the fellowship is, first one is a research associate. The PhD essential qualifications. The PhD in zoology or entomology, horticulture, food science and technology, microbiology, biotechnology, environmental science or the life science. Total 3 vacancies are there, and the stipend is 54,000 rupees per month, and the age limit is 35 years. And coming to the next one is JRF, MTech or ME in textile engineering or MSc biotechnology with national eligibility test qualification or the MPharmcy. 2 vacancies are there. And while coming to the junior research fellowship, MSc in botany or microbiology or biotechnology or environmental science or life sciences with net qualification, 2 vacancies are there. So coming to the JRF, 31,000 rupees per month, and age limit is at 28 years. But the age relaxation is there guys based upon the Government of India norms. And coming to the research associate, 54,000 rupees per month, but for this one the PhD is mandatory. Okay. And next, essential information cutoff date. Age and educational qualification will be counted as on 31st July 2021, and age limit is relaxable 5 years for the SC/ST and 3 years for the OBC candidates. And coming to the place of work is Tejpur, as I already told you, and the tenure initially for the 2 years guys, which is extendable as per the government rules, and that of research associate is 2 years maximum. And award of fellowship or associate doesn't confer any right to absorption or employment in the DRDO. So how to apply? Interested candidates must submit his or her biodata elaborating your personal data, contact details, and a brief on educational as well as the professional qualifications, experiences, publications, etc. maximum 2 pages, along with the self-attested copies of all the certificates and testimonials in a single PDF format by the 31st July 2021, and then you have to send all these things. All these things means all these things must be done in a single PDF, and then you have to send them to the drlteztc@gmail.com. No application will be entertained after the closing date, and the date of interview, that means date and time of the interview, will be communicated individually to the candidates through the provided email ID. So interview will be conducted through online or else offline as per the provisionals available at that time. Okay, so while coming to the next notification is integrated test range. Walk-in interview for award of research fellowships as a junior research fellowship. So here you may check down guys, JRF. So educational qualifications, if you are having the graduation, that is BE or BTech in first division, then GATE score is also mandatory. Or else if you are having the ME or MTech with first division in both graduate as well as the postgraduate, then no need of GATE score guys. And coming to the disciplines, computer science or information technology, electronics and communication or electronics and telecommunication, or else electronics and instrumentation or applied electronics and instrumentation engineering. Okay. And here the number of vacancies are also mentioned. So date of interview will be intimated to the candidates separately, I mean whoever the shortlisted candidates are there. And how to apply. Interested candidates with the above mentioned qualifications are invited to send the applications. Here also same thing guys, you have to form in one single PDF format, okay, along with the certificates and the testimonials at hrd@itr.drdo.in, and on the subject, that means subject of the email, you have to put that application for the post of JRF. It is important for the candidates to submit their application form and supporting documents as an attachment in a single PDF only. And the application form you have to type written guys. That means you should not write. Okay, you have to type written. Okay, and scanned as a PDF after the signature. Fine. And the remaining details are also given here guys. Okay, you may check down. Important information is last date to submit of application is 9th July 2021. And the walk-in interview will be conducted through the video conferencing. Okay, so that is whatever the video conferencing link is there, that link will be sent to the shortlisted candidates only. Fine. And then age limit is 28 years and the relaxation is there 5 years and 3 years based upon the caste category, and the fellowship emoluments is 31,000 rupees per month for JRF, and including the HRA is also available. The tenure is maximum 5 years. The initial 2 years will be there, and then you will be subsequently transferred as a senior research fellowship for the remaining 3 years guys. All the communication will happen only through the email only. Okay, so these are the details guys. So you please check down, and I will provide this link here. The application is also there in this PDF. So convert this one into the document and then typewrite all the details here in this application. After typewriting, then again scan this one. Scan your educational qualifications, experience qualifications, anything, and then after getting all the scanned copies, just put them into one single PDF guys, and then mail to the provided mail ID here. Okay, so these are the two notifications guys. So one is for the PhD as well as the net qualified candidates, and another one is for the undergraduate, graduate plus GATE, or else the only PG candidates. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay. And from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months. Okay, these are the charge per 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.